Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EBIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move. I mean, when you consider where it was going into the day and then where it ultimately closed up there, any rational person would say, yeah, the bulls definitely made a good solid move on the day. But that does lead to the very valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is right here at, what is that value? 69 cents. So why is 69 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movement with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 69. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back, not saying this will happen, but just for example's sake, pulls back and then behaves in this manner before starting to head back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have overall stair steps heading in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying the phrase make progress forward as 69 cents. What about areas of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these potential battlegrounds at? As of right now, the key kind of public enemy number one in my mind is right up there around 78 cents. Yeah, I realize the price went above it at one point, but I think the majority of us can hopefully agree that, yeah, the main point of price congestion is right there around the 78 cent mark, so that'll be public enemy number one next week. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very nice move today. Now it's just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum next week? We shall see.
One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.